So I'm here at Eezi Awn today. We're going to be making a couple changes to the Jimny. We're going to be starting off with putting on a bigger roof rack as well as putting on an awning today. We're doing the 270 degree Batwing awning. That's going to be pretty awesome.
This video is filmed in partnership with Eezi Awn. Very simply, the very best.
This is what happens when you're an idiot like me and drive into a parking lot with your jerry cans on the roof. They're just swapping over all the accessories onto the new rack. The gutters are completely undamaged and I had well over 30 kilograms on here. And I think, you gotta owe that to the 8 feet on the Eezi Awn rack, distributing all that load, but also down to the fact that they use rubberized feet, so it won't damage the gutter rail.
And now we're going to be cranking up the weight on this roof rack now for the next step. We're also going with slightly longer feet, just to give a little bit more clearance on the roof rack for the table. We're going to be putting on an awning. We're going to be putting on a rooftop tent. We need to be sure that the gutters can handle the weight. We need to be sure that the weight is being evenly distributed and that we're not damaging the vehicle.
And there we go, shade for Africa. Took us 1 minute 40 seconds to set it up, and it's taken us 2 minutes to pack it back up.
The awning is on. It looks amazing. We've got the bigger roof rack on, and we are ready for some adventure time. So join me on the next video where who knows where we'll be going, but it's gonna be cool. Thanks for tuning in this week, and we'll see you again soon.
Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. You can head over to Instagram and Patreon for even more content. Check the notification bell to make sure you get notified whenever a video is uploaded. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.